Plan greenhouse pest prevention during new home construction so private greenhouses do not become concentrated sources of pests that spill into the house. Design vents and doors with fine mesh screening and place them to promote cross-ventilation while keeping insect entry points minimal. Choose screening with a mesh size appropriate for common greenhouse pests like whitefly and thrips, typically around 200 microns, and ensure frames have compressible seals to prevent gaps. Integrate biological control areas by planning shelving and plant spacing to support beneficial insects and predatory mites, and include a small shaded water source or banker plants to sustain them without creating standing water mosquito habitat. Locate potting and soil storage away from the house foundation and on a graded pad or sealed platform to reduce soil-borne pest and pathogen movement and to make cleanup easy. Store soil in closed containers and label by batch to track any contaminated supplies. Seal greenhouse seams with durable caulking and use insect-proof door sweeps and double-door airlocks where feasible to reduce accidental pest movement during busy work periods. Create an inspection protocol to check all incoming plants and cuttings for eggs, webs, or sticky residue, and isolate new additions for at least 2 weeks in a dedicated quarantine bench to observe hidden infestations before introduction. Establish strict sanitation protocols that include regular removal of plant debris, weekly sweep and vacuum of bench surfaces, routine sterilization of tools with a 5% bleach solution or appropriate horticultural disinfectant, and clear rules that prevent bringing greenhouse tools or contaminated clothing into the main living area. Common mistakes include assuming ventilation alone is enough and leaving gaps around screens which lets in small insects. Fix this by verifying seals after installation and testing under wind conditions. Another is relying solely on chemical controls and disrupting beneficial populations. Avoid this by prioritizing habitat for biological controls and using targeted treatments only when monitoring thresholds are exceeded. A third is storing loose soil or pots near the home foundation, which enables pests and pathogens to bridge into the house. Move storage to a sealed platform or detached shed, and keep all containers off the ground. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors experienced in integrating greenhouse design into new home builds and offers guidance on pest prevention practices that work for both structures. We also help contractors find projects and share expertise through our discussion community, where we and other members exchange real-world solutions and lessons learned.